What's up, guys? It's Lather Legends here on Instagram doing a YouTube video for the razor company. So got a fun little conversation today, something to tell you guys that was really fun, and a really cool soap that's new to my den. So let's get into it. All right, before we get chatting, I'll show you guys what I picked up from the razor company. This came out, I think, a year or two ago, but it's been out of stock forever and just came back in stock. So I got Ethos Bluenote. So those of you that follow the shaving community and all the drops know that Bluenote was a collaboration with Ethos that is a homage or dupe to a really popular fragrance called Jazz Club. If you haven't smelled Jazz Club, you can go find a local Sephora and you can go smell it so you know what Bluenote will smells like, and then you can order Bluenote. These tubs are a little smaller, but man, they smell so good. Oh, and it smells just like Jazz Club. So I've got that loaded up in my bowl. I'm gonna be using my new Oliworks stainless steel that I won on one of the community Instagram lives that is from the Shave Master show. And then I've got a Spotprints 3D printed brush, and it's blue and red, but we're showing the blue side because we're going with Bluenote, right? I got a badger knot in there, and I've got a Spotprints bowl. So I'm gonna get that loaded up here real quick. And we're doing a head shave because I think it's been a couple days. There's some good stubble up there. I mean, you know, most people see that kind of stubble and they're like, no, that's just barely there. I'm like, oh, it's driving me nuts. So we're gonna mow it down real quick. So this last week, there were some of us that live out the way I do out here by the Wasatch Mountains. The Wasatch Mountains are a big mountain range that run through the state of Utah, and they are amazing. So a lot of the wet shavers that live along the Wasatch Front is what we call it. We always talk on Instagram, and we had decided that we were all gonna get together. Actually, let me grab I had to grab a towel. So we'd all been talking, and finally one of us spoke up on there, which it wasn't me, it was someone else, and was like, dude, let's meet up. Do you guys want to get together? So they planned this little get together for dinner, and everyone would bring a couple sniff and tells or a couple soaps or things we knew each other had from pictures on Instagram to check out. So we planned it. It was this last week, and it was quite funny because I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna bring this, I'll bring this, I can maybe piff this, and somebody wants to take this, and I'm like, oh, I want them to smell this or whatever. So by the time I was done, I was like, I had a backpack of like 15 soaps, probably more than that, probably 20 full-size tub soaps, and then I had probably 50 samples or something. And I was like, dude, this is weird. I was like, I'm taking all these soaps. But I got there and walked in, went to some pizza place. And there was only gonna be 4 of us. So this was just like hey, let's meet up for dinner and meet each other face to face, whatever. So yeah, we went to pizza. I walk in there, I had a backpack full and then I had a shoebox full. And luckily, there was one person there already, Brad, and he had a big duffel bag full of stuff too. So I was like, okay, there's someone else bringing stuff. And then a couple minutes later, here walks in, you know them on Instagram as The Rash, right? And Wasatch Wet Shaver, or Aroma The Rash. They are brothers, which you've seen Aroma TheraShave on this channel. But he and his brother, one's got a masterful piece or head of hair and a glorious beard. And then, just like me, one of them's shaves the dome. So you would never know they're brothers, but it was fun. So they walk in, and Wasatch, wet shaver, he's carrying a big, like, clear packing tub, and he's got like 30 soaps, and they are all McDuff's. He and his brother, they're huge McDuff guys, so they came in and laid it down. So we're in this little corner of this little pizza shop downtown Salt Lake City that we met up. And this is like a little bit of a fancier pizza joint. It's not just like a little pub and pizza place. It's like a high-end Italian pizzeria. They got gelato and wines and all that stuff. So so we had several people, as we're like sniffing all the soaps and passing them around and just chatting. A couple guys came over to our table like, "What is this, hair gel?" And I was like, "Bro, I don't even got hair." But no, we told them it's shave soap, and they kind of gave us the like, "Oh, okay, cool." Maybe seemed odd to them, but hey, a bunch of grown men meeting up to smell each other's soaps. But I'll tell you what, the just people that I've met through YouTube, through following the TRC lives or sharing stuff that you pick up at TRC or wherever, and dude, people are awesome. And this soap, I mean, can you see that? Yeah, this soap is slick. And the scent, it's Jazz Club to a T. It's this warm vanilla, little bit of like tobacco vibe in there. Little just old school sweetness. Like, it's really good. So yeah, we went to this place, but we walk in there. It's the first time any of us had ever met face to face except for the two brothers. But dude, we jumped right in like we were all buddies, and we're getting all excited about each other's soaps and everything else. It was really cool to see, like, we talk online and we all, have fun online and chatting on Instagram and everything. And, we get together and it's the same, we're all still having a good time, and it was so awesome. So we smelled a ton of different soaps, a ton. I was able to smell some things that I've been really, really wanting to smell. And man, some of them blew me away. So we're gonna get back together again sometime, and that was really fun. There's some more people that live here in our area that I think we can involve next time if they're available as well. So yeah, if you guys find some people that aren't that far from you, I mean, I think all of us that met up, we all live like within an hour's drive of each other. So yeah, it was fun. So if you guys have people around you that are in the shave community or whatever, dude, meet up, go get some pizza, go have some fun, bring some of your fun or rare soaps to smell, and have at it. And let the restaurant people think, who are all these dudes in here with all these tubs? I mean, there's probably at some point like 40 or 50 tubs of soap on the table. So it was a blast though. I had so much fun. One thing that came of that was I had Aroma the Rash. He had wanted me to try a few things of his. One was the walled brush, which is insane. So I was like hesitant to even take that and borrow it for a shave, because I'm like, dude, this is like pure gold. Like, don't let people borrow that. But He did. He let me borrow it, so super nice of him. Again, speaks volumes about the people involved in all this community. But that brush was amazing. That was really awesome. So that, you know, I passed a couple things around for some people to try. You know, it was just totally cool. And I think our little shave group, we on our little message thread, we had called ourselves like the Wasatch Lather League or whatever. So it was fun. Yeah, this soap, it lathers really easy. It's soft. It's not super soft by any means. But it's a softer soap and it lathers up really quick. And really slick. So, yeah, Bluenote. I know TRC mentioned all the Ethos, or most of the Ethos got restocked. I don't know, was that last 2 or 3 weeks ago? And that's when this one popped up and I was like, yeah. I've been watching this one for a while and knew what Jazz Club smelled like, so I knew Bluenote was gonna be the bomb. So I didn't hesitate. I was like, oh, there it is. Boom, get it. So that was awesome. Plus, I am a diehard college football fan. Like, it is the best time of year. And I know everyone on here, a lot of guys have their teams, or some of them don't follow it at all. That's cool too. But my team plays tonight, and this is blue, and my team's blue, which is the best team. So if you guys are college football fans or NFL fans or whatever, who's your guys' team? I know some of you guys watch these videos who your teams are. Man, it's just so slick. So I tried to do this football trip with my dad and my 2 brothers, and then my son. In the fall, we've done it for a few years now, where we'll try and pick a college game and an NFL game or something that are right next to each other, and we'll fly out and go to the games. But this fall, the one like weekend that everyone's available, everyone was so busy with different schedules going on, and there was only like one weekend that would work, and so we were able to pull it off. It's not for a couple months, not until November, but I am so jacked for it. It's something we've never done. We're actually going to go to 2 college games in a single day. Yeah, it's going to be wild. So I will keep it a secret for now where I'm going, and as it gets closer, I'll have to do another video. Man, maybe I'll even have to do like a TRC shave from while I'm on my trip. I know where I'm going. I think there's a few wet shavers that I'm familiar with online that live in that area, but maybe not super close. But I'm not terribly sure. I'll have to maybe look into that. So this Oliworks, the stainless steel, I know it's in stock right now on TRC. When I won this, I mean, freaked out. I had like looked at this laser. I had looked at this razor multiple times, and I was like, oh dude, that just looks really cool. Somebody had told me like knurling on it is really cool. It's really nice. So I was like, oh, I should pick that one up. That might be really good. And you get the 3 different plates with it, which is kind of wild. I just got a couple little spots. But it comes with the 3 base plates, which not many razors that come with the 3 base plates. You usually got to add them or buy them separately. And I've shaved now with all 3. And this, when I did my head the other day, I did it on a 2 with the middle plate. Is that considered mild plate? And that one was maybe just a touch too much for my head. So this 1 plate though that I'm using right now, or the mild plate, or I guess the 2 plate would be the medium, sorry. This is perfect though. This is like, cuts like similar to, what's on this 1 plate? Maybe similar to like my bison, my carved bison, but it's, I don't know how to describe it. I can feel the blade just a tiny bit more than I can on my bison, but it's just as smooth. But I feel like it's ever so slightly more efficient as well, even on that 1 plate. So that is perfect for me. Let me spray up and kind of wipe the head off. Feeling nice and slick now. So yeah, I'm excited for this splash. It smells super, super good. And again, it smells just like what it's an homage or dupe to. Yeah, that feels way good. Slick, baby. So let's put the splash on. We'll call this shave good for today. And you know, I like to show you the palm with the splash there. We're gonna go, ooh yeah, we're going heavy there. Nice, all right. Barely a sting, not much. Oh yeah, dude. And right when you smell it, like, it smells like you just sprayed the cologne. But as soon as that's rubbed in a little bit, it becomes way more the like sweet, boozy vanilla part of that fragrance. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's Skin Food. Yeah, they call it Skin Food Splash, but that is nice stuff. So that was the shave today, was Ethos Bluenote from the Razor Company. Super great shave. Good chatting with you guys, and more to come next time. We'll talk to you guys soon.